My dear viewers, you are most welcome to this presentation. Today I'm presenting to you the UACE 2025 Mathematics Applied, which is the same as paper 2. So just pause the video and read. We have the instructions to candidates. And if you are not this channel, please kindly subscribe. Turn on the notification button so that you are notified whenever I upload a new video. Like and share. Just pause the video. This is Applied Mathematics, Paper 2, Advanced Level. We have Section A, beginning with number 1. Just pause the video. Section B is here, beginning with number 9. Up to the end, and thanks for watching, and endeavor to subscribe the channel L Jared 2 for more mathematics videos and lessons. Thanks for watching. See you again in the next tutorial.